Nonchalantly pulled down my pants.
Looks like an alien. That's crazy. Alien snowman.
With the BBC.
Yeah.
Big black car.
BBD.
Alright, now let me take the parts off.
I'm jiggling lands up here, guys.
I'm Red Lewis. Red Lewis.
He has to take his balls out.
Move, move, move.
Hold on, it's just balls.
Oh, big snowball. Get him. Oh, yeah. Nice. Look at Oreo, just can't stop having fun.
Damn. Oh, my hand. No.
Finally, I have evidence. We made 2 snowmen the last 18 years ago when we put them over there. There was only one road here and it was a big old field. Like, 20 years ago. And the snowmen were 6 feet tall, both of them. They were like this high. And people were stopping on the side of the road to take pictures and selfies with it. And I had my phone, but my phone crapped out on me and I lost the video. You can see Oreo's big old footprints, man. He looks like a bigger dog, those footprints. I'm still standing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm still standing. Where the hell's my glove?